Here, Jim.
I just felt like Moby Dick when I grabbed him from getting on this pole.
There you go. Get him out of there, boy.
There he is.
Get on in. Whoa, get on in here, boy. Stop playing around.
That's your chop.
There you go.
There he is. He's on the board now.
Yeah.
Come
Come
on.
on.
No.
Stabbed him. Stabbed him right where Jimmy was at.
Yeah, let me get back out there.
Right here, got some weight on him.
We
What's
like
he been eating?
You like them thick, right?
Yes, sir. There you go.
Get him, Jimmy.
Not a bank runner. Hey, just threw my worm at me. It's on the boat, so that's a plus. There you go. Get on.
I thought we were going to be feeding Jimmy, but Jimmy might be feeding us.
Oh. Don't go to sleep.
No, I always give everybody a head start.
There he is.
Get off of that pad, boy. Get him, Jimmy. Knock him in, boy. Get on out of there, fatty.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
Boy's doubling up.
That's what I'm talking about. A couple nice ones right there.
All right, let's don't stop biting fish. We're doing good. Yep.
Thanks, Brian. Appreciate it.
That's all you needed, man. There you go, pep talk again.
Yeah. Uh-oh. He was pulling like a champ.
Mm-hmm. Terry, right there at the boat.
While you're getting that one off,
Yep.
I was about to get one.
Get one right there, Bubba. Because they was knocking it down. Jimmy, right in front of you, they beating them. See right there? They beating it up right there. Get out of there, boy.
Catch one.
Look at that. Snatch him.
No. Get that spot, boy. Throw in that spot. Oh. Oh. There you go. There you go.
Man, I just hung up with him too.